Today, we're diving into some of the most incredible Amazon gadgets for your home and backyard that are blowing up online. From smart sprinklers to backyard essentials, these finds are making everyday life easier, cooler, and way more fun. Plus, we have the prices for each one so you can see which ones are worth adding to your space. As usual, links to all the products are in the description below, so you can grab your favorites. Never lose power when you need it most. This portable power station packs a massive energy capacity that can handle everything from phones to full-sized appliances. You can recharge it fast using solar panels or a standard wall outlet, keeping it ready for any situation. The companion app lets you track usage and control settings in real time. Safe, quiet, and easy to carry, it's your all-in-one backup for home, travel, or the great outdoors. Turn your backyard into the ultimate hangout with this versatile fire pit table. It's a bonfire, barbecue, and table all in one. Perfect for roasting marshmallows, grilling food, or enjoying a meal with 6 to 8 friends. 2 height-adjustable, 360 swivel grills make cooking easy, while the geometric cutout design creates fun firelight shadows. Built to last, it holds up to 20 pounds of wood, stays stable on uneven ground, and includes a screen mesh and fire poker for safety. Quick to assemble in about 20 minutes, it's ready to bring warmth and fun to any garden, patio, or yard. Grow your garden with ease using this elevated garden bed. At 32 inches tall, it saves your back by reducing bending, while 12-inch planting depth gives your plants plenty of room to thrive. Assembly is simple. Just connect the pieces and tighten the fasteners with rubber edge sides for safety. It's part of a complete gardening system designed to make planting, watering, and composting easier. Perfect for anyone who wants a healthier garden without the strain. Relax like royalty with this inflatable sofa pool float. Its roomy design lets you lounge in the water comfortably, perfect for parties, family fun, or sunny day chilling. Inflates in minutes and deflates for easy storage, making it ideal for any pool or lake. Durable and soft, it keeps you floating in comfort while soaking up the sun. Bring instant summer vibes wherever you set it up. Take the guesswork out of watering with this smart irrigation controller. It automatically skips watering for rain, wind, or freezing temperatures, keeping your yard healthy and water efficient. Adaptive schedules adjust for spring showers or summer heat, while you can also create your own custom routine. Control everything from anywhere using the free app, from running zones to tracking water usage. Easy to install in 30 minutes, it works with most existing sprinkler systems. Enjoy the glow of a real fire without the smoke or smell. This portable smokeless fire pit uses a smart airflow system that burns wood completely for a clean, efficient flame. Built from premium stainless steel with a ceramic heat coating, it's tough enough for years of outdoor adventures. Lightweight and easy to carry, it sets up in seconds. Perfect for camping, beach nights, or cozy backyard gatherings under the stars. Your backyard just got a front row seat to nature. This smart bird feeder comes with a built-in camera that recognizes over 10,000 bird species and sends instant photo alerts to your phone. Its 2K lens and wide-angle view capture stunning detail day or night, powered continuously by the solar battery. The large seed container means fewer refills, and the waterproof build keeps it running year-round. A perfect pick for bird lovers, families, and anyone who enjoys the outdoors. This is the centerpiece your outdoor space has been missing. This multifunctional fire pit table combines warmth, style, and practicality for comfort all year long. Its sturdy metal frame handles high heat with ease, while built-in air vents keep the flame bright and smoke-free. A spark guard and poker make operations safe and effortless every time. Perfect for backyard dinners, quiet evenings or lively get-togethers under the stars. The quickest way to relax after a long day is right under your feet. This wooden foot massager uses acupressure rollers and reflexology nubs to melt away tension and boost circulation. Its contoured design follows the natural shape of your feet for a deeply soothing massage every time. Compact, sturdy, and whisper quiet, it's easy to use anywhere, at home, at work, or even while traveling. Simple, effective, and made to keep you feeling refreshed. Setting up shade outdoors has never been this simple. This greenhouse gazebo pops open in seconds, offering a breezy and spacious shelter for family gatherings or picnics. Its lightweight yet durable frame provides sturdy stability without adding bulk, and the mesh panels keep insects out while allowing full airflow. Easy to fold, carry, and store. It's ideal for backyards, gardens, and any outdoor escape. How do you keep your evenings mosquito-free without chemicals? This bug zapper uses a high-voltage grid and ultraviolet light to attract and eliminate insects instantly. Its energy-efficient design covers wide areas while remaining safe for children and pets. Built to withstand rain and outdoor conditions, it works perfectly in gardens, patios, or near pools, giving you peaceful nights under clear skies without the constant buzzing or bites. Do you love the smoky flavor of wood-fired food, but want something smarter? This electric wood pellet smoker uses adaptive temperature control and automated cooking assistance to deliver flawless results every time. Whether grilling, baking, roasting, or searing, it maintains precise heat and smoky richness with minimal effort. Built with durable materials and generous cooking space, it transforms outdoor gatherings into effortless culinary experiences that feel both modern and traditional. Nothing beats lounging outdoors without the hassle of a pump. This inflatable sun lounger fills with air in seconds. Just whisk it through the air to trap air inside. Once inflated, it stays firm for hours, offering a comfortable spot to relax anytime. The pillow-shaped headrest supports your neck and back, while its lightweight design makes it easy to carry along for picnics, camping trips, or beach days. Now, flat tires don't stand a chance. This high-powered portable inflator pumps air 4 times faster than a regular compressor, built tough enough for trucks, pickups, and any heavy-duty ride. Just set your pressure, hit start, and watch it fill up in seconds. The dual-use design works perfectly for both vehicle tires and inflatables like balls or air mattresses. Compact, rechargeable, and ready for emergencies. It's the must-have tool every driver should keep on hand. Turn hard soil into soft, ready-to-plant ground in minutes. This electric garden tiller powers through dirt with strong steel blades that dig deep and mix evenly. Just plug it in, adjust the depth, and let it do the heavy lifting. No fumes, no noise, no struggle. Just clean, effortless performance. Fold it up for storage, and your garden prep is done in no time. Want to know exactly what's happening outside without checking your phone? This smart weather station gives you real-time updates right from your own backyard. The bright color display shows temperature, humidity, rainfall, and wind speed all at once. It connects wirelessly to outdoor sensors and sets up in minutes. Clear, accurate, and dependable. It makes tracking the weather almost addictive. Say goodbye to sore knees and stubborn roots. This stand-up weed puller grabs unwanted plants from deep underground and lifts them out cleanly. Just step, twist, and pull. No bending or chemicals needed. The easy release feature drops weeds instantly, keeping your hands dirt-free. Lightweight yet tough, it turns yard work into a quick, satisfying job. Movie night just got an upgrade. This compact cylinder projector brings vivid, high-definition images up to 100 inches wide. The built-in speaker fills the room with clear sound, no cables or extra setup required. Stream directly from your favorite apps for instant entertainment. Small, sleek, and portable, it turns any blank wall into a personal cinema. Turn any hangout into an instant celebration. This clever outdoor table hides a spacious ice cooler beneath its lift-up top, keeping drinks chilled and within reach. It holds plenty of cans and bottles, staying cold for hours without melting the mood. The weather-resistant finish handles sun, rain, and everything in between. Portable, practical, and made for good times. It's the ultimate outdoor party essential. Looking for a game that turns any yard into an instant party? This inflatable giant kick dart set combines soccer and darts into one huge, laugh-filled activity. The oversized dartboard inflates quickly and comes with durable kickballs designed to stick firmly to the surface. Built from thick, long-lasting material, it's fun for all ages, offering endless variations of competitive play for gatherings, parties, or team events. Turn your summer fun up a notch with this giant tropical raft. It comfortably fits up to 6 adults, each with a supportive backrest for ultimate relaxation. A detachable sunshade keeps you cool, while the mesh floor lets your feet dip in the water. Built from durable PVC, it's perfect for lakes, rivers, or the ocean, and folds compactly for easy storage. Extras like 6 cup holders, a floating cooler bag, and grab lines make it ideal for drinks, safety, and tying to a dock or boat. Your chilly evenings just got an upgrade. This outdoor patio heater fills your space with instant, even warmth at the touch of a button. Easily adjust the temperature to keep guests comfortable through dinner or late-night talks. Built-in safety shutoff and a stable weighted base keep it steady even in windy weather. Sleek, durable, and dependable, it keeps your nights warm long after the sun goes down. Mow your lawn like a pro with this zero-turn riding mower. It drives like a car and turns on a dime thanks to precision e-steer technology. With the power of gas, it reaches speeds up to 8 miles per hour and cuts up to 2.5 acres on a single charge. Customize your ride with 3 driving modes on the intuitive LCD interface and adjust cutting height across 10 positions. Its 42-inch deck handles mulching, bagging, or side discharge, giving your yard a flawless finish every time. Turn your backyard into a private spa anytime you want. This portable hot tub inflates in minutes and keeps the water perfectly warm and soothing. Hundreds of air jets create a gentle bubble massage that melts away stress after a long day. The insulated cover locks in heat and saves energy between uses. Durable, easy to move, and pure relaxation on demand. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.